Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add search bar in Shopify. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to myshopify.com. In here, select plus add apps on the left corner. Then on the pop-up, select Shopify App Store. If you click on it, you will now be redirected to another tab, which will allow you to go to Shopify's App Store. Wait for the website to finish loading this time. On the search bar, you are going to be searching this time. In here, search for Smart Product Filter. Once you're here, scroll down, then select Smart Search Bar and Filters. Once you find the application, select the button that says Add App. Once you're here, just select Install App, and then it should now be added. Once you have now installed the app, this time on the website, head on over to the left corner under Apps. Then select Smart Search Bar and Filters. Once you are now here, you will be able to customize the settings of Smart Search Bar and Filters. In here, just change settings. Then you can now save it. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.